describe a bit about your relationship with Mark3D now that you're sort of through your learning curve. You know, I could say, I mean, you know, you can always continue to learn, but now that you're sort of through that and your process has settled down.
Yeah. Well, every step of the way, I've really appreciated the support from Mark3D. So we use we use them basically to come in and give us kind of that technical support on applications we have where maybe it's our first time trying something. So even from the beginning, Ian and Max came in and they've kind of given us, that reinforcement placement, how to orient parts, how to get the most out of the directionality of the prints. So the real kind of fundamental stuff. And they also trained us all up on how to use the machines. That was really great. And then, just continued. We've had really good communication. Everything always arrives when it should arrive. The servicing's come, and we pay for that to get done through Mark3D as well. So that's great.
And you know, we appreciate all the time you give us as well. I think, you know, we're all learning still. You know, in a way, hopefully you learnt things off us, and we've certainly learned a lot from you. You know, as we do with all our customer base, it's a new technology, and you know, the additive world is really growing, and new applications are coming up all the time. And you know, when we came down to visit you, that was certainly an example of that. You know, the ways that you're using the printers internally, you know, are incredibly interesting and very clever, you know, as well. So yeah.
It comes from all the great engineers and designers that work with us as well. So you know, everybody has really taken to it, definitely.
Good.